In this video, I want to make a demonstration of using Amazon Web Services. I want to show how to route traffic to a hosted Amazon S3 bucket using a domain name that is registered outside Amazon. In my case, this is mmsdrops.com.au. It's registered with the net registry, and I will be configuring net registry service, and I will be also configuring Route 53. So let's get started. So let's go first to Amazon S3. And create a bucket. The bucket name should be the same name as your domain name, mmsdrops.com.au. When I click on this bucket, you'll see that it's empty, and I'm going to upload a one single HTML file. So I have some content. And then I go to configure my bucket. Permissions, and I'm gonna add bucket policy. All right. So to add bucket policy, you need to put this code in. And on the line where it says example.com, I just have to replace it with my domain name. And then under the static website hosting, I have to enable website hosting. And here I need to indicate my index HTML file. And notice here you have an endpoint created. Just take a note of this. It will be used later in Amazon Route 53. If you click on this endpoint, it will take you to the website. But as you can see, the address is still not mmsdrops.com.au. I want to make this short like this. So let's continue. Alright, I'll go back to my old buckets, and I need to create another bucket. This bucket will be with an extension www, mmsdrops.com.au. So this additional bucket is needed in case somebody types in www, so that the person who does that will eventually end up on the same domain name. Alright, and now all I have to do is under static website hosting, I need to redirect all requests to another hostname, which is mmsdrops.com.au. Okay, the work is done here, and I go back to Amazon Services, then I click on Route 53. Hosted zones, create hosted zone, domain name mmsdrops.com.au. And once you created this new host zone, you will have two record sets created for you automatically. One of these is name servers. So I click here and I take a note of these name servers generated for me, and I copy paste them to my text editor because I will need it later. Okay, here I need to create two additional record sets. So I'll click create a record set, indicate type A. I'll leave this blank, alias is yes, and alias is target. And remember the endpoint is in the S3 bucket. So here in the alias target it comes up and you just select it. Great. Okay, another record set. This time I'll give it a name, ww. Alias is yes. Target name. Scroll down to the bottom and select mmsdrops.com.au. Alright, so here it's done. Now I have to configure my domain name service. So I go to my company, it's net registry, and here it is, mmsdrops.com.au. I go to domain delegation, and here under the name servers I add additional name servers. So it's just a copy paste job here. Okay, it's done. And now if I want to test it, it's probably not going to work because it's still not propagated. That's right, so I'm just gonna have to wait and I'll show you the results right after that. Okay, now I'm going to test the results. mmsdrops.com.au. There you go. And I'll test the www version. mmsdrops.com.au. There you go.